So I'm going to show you how agencies are automating their work, but also a way that you as an agency owner can add 5 new revenue streams utilizing AI. Because a lot of businesses, their problem comes with time, follow-up, scalability, and their costs. So they're looking to save money. And I've been helping a lot of businesses as well as marketing agencies because I have a background in marketing agencies with their manual work that they do on a daily basis, while also adding new services that they could sell as AI services with their agency. So these are just a few samples that work really well right now. So this is going to give you some ideas that you could utilize, or if you need help implementing, I can also help implement. So the first one is around client reporting and communication. That's something that eats up a lot of time on the employee side. So with AI, you can have dashboards created that pull analytics automatically tailored to that client. It can generate summaries, client-ready reports, and updates for emails. So one of the things I have seen in the marketing agency space is the more that you have touch points with that client, the more that trust is going to be built. So sending out a weekly email to stay up to date of what's been going on. But instead of that taking time for an employee to put together, you can actually use AI. So I'm going to share my screen of how I've been utilizing this. If you're an agency owner, you know you spend a lot of time in Slack communicating with employees or also with clients on updates. So I have created some AI automations that can give you some ideas that can definitely help speed up that time so you can focus on different areas that you want. So my AI automations are able to go ahead and read my Slack notifications where I can go ahead and say, hey, what are the reminders? And it'll go ahead and pull to the Slack the last 2 weeks of any reminders that were sent to employees to make sure, hey, this was what you have left to do. Any update on this? This is the task. And so that is one way to do it. But also one of the things I have found with an AI agency and marketing agency is to make sure that you are communicating with your clients. You're giving them a weekly update, a monthly report. And so instead of me going through the Slack, trying to figure out, hey, from each employee, where are these reports? Also from pulling Google Analytics to Google My Business profiles and Google Search Console, all of that data, instead of having to pull that, it'll automatically pull that for me. So I can go ahead and say, hey, what's an SEO report? And it'll go ahead. So let me just show you this, for example. So this is tagging the employees of, hey, what's the status on the Google ads? Hey, have we added Philadelphia keywords to the ranking sheet? Hey, have we optimized meta titles and descriptions? So it'll automatically follow up with each employee on there. But if I do a report too, it'll go ahead and pull the last 7 days for a weekly email update that I can automatically copy and paste, send it to the client. So I'll show you, for example, this is like a monthly report, identifies the client. Here's your reporting links, Google lead tracking, Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google My Business profile. Here are the pages for approval. These are the things that we've worked on this month. And these are the priorities for this upcoming month. So really, really nice to have all of these to be able to follow up just with employees, get your client reports, have it on automation where you can easily get this sent out to clients, communicate to them. That helps with keeping the client long-term, but also then so you can focus on areas that you need in your business. So instead of manually building out reports, sending updates, it's handled automatically. So this can save you hours every week and make client communication way more consistent. Now, the second one is a way that you can generate more revenue for your business, but also for your clients. That's reactivating old leads. So you take a list of leads, upload them into the system, and it'll automatically can send out texts, can give them a voice call, a voicemail, send a message in Messenger. It basically turns those dead leads into opportunities on autopilot. So it'll restart the conversation with them, answer basic questions if they have. And what's powerful now is the conversations can be more authentic, genuine, respond that sound natural and not just like a bot. And then it'll push that lead to a booking. So it works on qualifying them and then directs them to a booking. So it's a great thing you could offer to your clients because a lot of businesses, they're sitting on leads that they've paid for in the past, but they never follow up with them. And it's a great way to generate revenue without spending ads. Now, another big one is an AI voice system. So this is where an AI voice sounds natural. It can answer inbound calls. It can answer questions. It can collect lead information and it can book appointments. So for example, I've worked with a few auto industries where it'll go ahead, see the car details that a user is wanting to go ahead and check out, answer any questions they have on that car detail and then book an appointment so they can go view that vehicle and do a test drive. Now, another one is for a manufacturer. So they get customers calling in saying, hey, I have this issue with my vehicle. It'll actually go ahead and give them steps that they can walk through to fix that. It then sends them a PDF of those steps and any wireframes, and then all of that is reported into a dashboard. So I'll give you a quick overview of what that sounds like.
Hey there, I'm your RV services assistant. How's your day going so far?
It's going good. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. So, what's your name?
Yeah, it's Chelsea.
Nice to meet you, Chelsea. So, what's going on with your RV today? What can I help you with?
Yeah, my slide out isn't coming out. It's getting stuck continuously and driving me nuts.
I hear you. That can be really frustrating. Let's see what we can do to help. To pull up your RV specific details, I'll need your VIN number. Do you have the full 17-character VIN or just the last 8 characters handy? It's usually on the driver's side dashboard or door frame.
Yeah, it's ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. All right, Chelsea. I'm counting 8 characters there, which is perfect if we're just using the last 8. Just to confirm, the last 8 digits of your VIN are ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. I've pulled up your vehicle information. Based on what you're describing with the slide out getting stuck, here's what you can try. First, check your battery voltage. Slide outs need strong 12-volt power, ideally above 12.5 volt. Pause 2 to 3 seconds. Second, verify nothing is blocking the slide out path, both inside and outside the RV. Pause 2 to 3 seconds. Third, if you have hydraulic slide out, check the hydraulic fluid level in the pump reservoir. Look for blown fuses related to the slide out system in your fuse panel. Pause 2 to 3 seconds. Fifth, check if the slide out lock pins or travel locks are disengaged. Sixth, try operating the slide out with your RV's engine running. This provides more power. And seventh, if the electric system fails, locate and use the manual override, usually a crank handle or manual pump. Let me know how that goes or if you need more help with any of these steps.
Okay, thank you. I'll try that.
You're welcome. I can also send you a detailed PDF guide that covers slide out troubleshooting with step-by-step instruction, diagrams, and safety tips. Would you like me to send that to your email?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. So that's just an example of how technical it can even get. So this can even help eliminate or just reduce time, overhead for people in the customer service industry. So a lot of agencies, they're packing this on as reoccurring revenue or services for local businesses. And then there's AI chatbots. So this is for on social, this could be on your website, but it'll go ahead and respond instantly to the visitors, answer any questions that they have by leads, and guide them to book. And all of this is taking your own company's information to provide a better output for them. Because we all know that most businesses, they end up losing leads simply because they just don't respond fast enough. So this is a powerful thing that you can be offering to integrate. So then your customers, they're actually capturing more leads without increasing traffic. And then too, if you have any phone systems, it can automatically be integrated into dashboards. So this is a dashboard for vendors. It'll show based off of the call, the failure rate, how many potential warranty claims, average repair time. You can also see how the employees' call centers are doing versus the AI with different information that they want to track. This is predictive analytics where it can go ahead and predict, hey, we're having more issues on this model or with this company to help keep the management staff alerted. And there can be memory systems where it'll remember everything that has happened on a call. And then the users can actually go ahead and chat with it just like you would do with any AI, asking it questions, but it pulls in just the information that was done with the employees on calls or with AI voice systems. So these are just a few examples, but everything can be customized based off what the customer wants or the agency. But these are what I have been seeing create the most impact right now with saving time and adding on as a new service. So if you want something like this set up for your agency or for clients, I do done for you builds where we can implement everything for you, but at least this gives you a base of some ideas that you can offer in your agency when you're using AI. So if you need any help, just let me know. Be happy to connect with you further.